Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 24th of March 2024. I'm going to be going over week 13's results for front testing, SPX's predictions based on option chain analysis, and of course, let's get straight into the video. So the last prediction was made on the 16th, but it's labeled here wrong on the 17th. It's for the week ending the 22nd. So the weekly prediction for this week was actually that the market SPX goes up. And if you are curious as to where these predictions are coming from, please go view my channel, since there are videos definitely going over every single week's rationale before in the option chain and technical analysis, which supplement and create this prediction of up or down. So if you are interested, go view my channel and see the logic behind these. But of course, for the weekly open was 5,154.77, and it closed at 5,234.18, which gave us a hefty profit of 1.54%. However, and bring your cumulative P&L up to 4.84%. However, the SPX's weekly change was positive 2.29%, at that bringing our alpha down to minus 4.87%. So this was just a short video going over the results from this testing. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.